The 2011 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, anti-theft security system, FWD, auto headlight on-off, power windows, child-proof rear door locks, daytime running lamps, side curtain airbag. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.